Okay, let's look at Boolean operator OR. We use OR operator to test whether one or both of the two conditions are true. So let's look at the example. Let's say semester average is 6. Then final exam is 95. Then here is the two conditions. If the semester average is greater than 90, which is true, or in the final exam is happen to be greater than 90, which is true, then this student gets A. Both one of them is, as long as it's correct, then get A. So let's say else, then okay, student does not get an A. So let's see. So in this case, semester average is 86. That's what student get. 86 is greater than or equal to 90. That is not true. But if you look at the final exam, it's greater than 90, which is 95. That's true. So it's going to print student gets A. Okay. So as long as one of the condition is true or both of them are true, we get the student A. So let's say 85. Then that means this condition is not true. That condition is also not true. So we end up with the else. Okay. Student does not get A. Okay. Student does not get A. If you reverse it, for example, okay, student average is 96, okay, greater than 90. Final is somehow lower than 90, but still get A. Okay, as long as one condition is true, this is what we are going to do. Okay, or both of them are true. That's how we use Boolean operator OR. That's all. Thank you.